Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last couple of videos I had shown you how to create a resource group manually from the website itself, and the second step is how to create it via the CLI. With the CLI I mean with the command line. You can see it in the previous videos. Today I will show you how to create this with Python SDK. So in the Python SDK you have to, there's several steps you have to do. Where's the, yeah, so you have to download or to install these packages. And what I have done, because I'm using Putri, as you can see, toml file, I have in the command line. Let me just open the terminal. What's this? It's not creating a terminal. Attached to terminal. Okay. And you can see what I have to do, or what you have to do, because I'm using the Putri. I can use see Putri add Azure AI machine learning, and this identify, and the last one is to add this. And if I now try to install this, it will see it's already installed. This, let's try to install this package, but already installed. Yeah, you can see here the following package is already presented in the toml file. Now let's see, sometimes you are working with with Anaconda, or maybe only pip. What you can do is only add this command here inside your environment. Type pip install, and you can click like this, and this will install it in your PC, in your environment. As you can see, it's already installed. This is for regarding the packages. Before let's say running the code in Python, you need to install these three packages. Now, as you can see here in this Python code, I have just done it before the recording, because it takes time typing to all of these. Now I have imported this authentication. It will get the credential of the my subscription. This is to resource management. This is the creating. This is the class of default Azure credential. It will be as a parameter for the resource management, plus the subscription ID, and you can see subscription ID. This is the parameter. This is the the, the parameters, and then this is the location. And you can see the most important function is this one here: client resource group to create or update. Sometimes you already have the same resource group, but you need to change the location maybe. And I have done also this via parameters here. You can run this via Python. Let me just clear the terminal. Now to run this, either to run it via Python, but I need to activate the Putri environment. This is the code how to activate and you can see here it's like Anaconda, but this one is more friendly. Now I will type here Python, and this code it's in Azure ML. Then the name of the file as groups. And if I run now, it will create the default variables. My subscription, yeah, for the subscription, you can get the subscription ID from the website. See, let's see, go to the main page, go to the subscriptions. If not, if you can't see the subscription, you can type here subscriptions. It will show you here. Now I have only one subscription, and this is the subscription ID. You just need to copy this and put it in your Python. Let's see. Yeah, and the resource group name, it should be like this. If I click now run, it will create with the default settings. Oh, I have to enter here. So remember the name of the resource group, it's resource group by 01. It takes a few seconds. Okay, finish. So let's check the Azure pipeline, I mean Azure resource groups. We need to make a refresh. Okay, here it's here. So this is how to create it with Python. And sometimes, I mean, I make this the code, let's see, more general. Sometimes you need to, I'm not quite sure if we still have this command here, but let me check. Yeah. And you can see here, this is the Python, the file as the previous one, but I need to add this as a parameter if you want. If I mean it's not a good to have to save the subscriptions ID and everything in the file itself. Sometimes you need to change it, so that's why I have done it as a parameter here. And this is subscription, and let me just change the group. I don't know, today. I mean the name of the resource group has to be, let's see, recognizable, not just random name. But now it's just for the demo. And let me now check. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to deploy, but yeah, it should be OD. Yeah, it's OD. That's it for today. This is how to create a resource group via Python SDK version 2. Thanks for watching and see you next time.